everyone, this is the 1/400 scale diecast Gemini Jets Aeroflot Tupolev Tu-154M. This model is produced by Gemini Jets in 2004, with the aircraft sporting Aeroflot's silver and blue livery introduced in the early 2000s. The aircraft was powered by 3 Soloviev D-30KU low bypass turbofans, producing up to about 23,000 pounds force or 103 kilonewtons each. Each aircraft has a passenger capacity of up to 180 passengers, depending on seating configuration. This aircraft has a maximum speed of 493 knots, or 913 kilometers an hour, with a range of 2,800 nautical miles, or 5,200 kilometers. This Tu-154M was originally delivered to the Soviet Union Airline Aeroflot in 1988 and given the registration of CCCP-85643, and it sported the white and silver fuselage with a blue cheatline along the windows livery, featuring a prominent Soviet Union flag on the tail. In 1992, shortly after the fall of the Soviet government, the aircraft was placed into storage at Moscow Sheremetyevo Airport, where it would remain until 1996. The aircraft was reactivated from storage by the Russian version of Aeroflot. The registration was changed to RA-85643, and the livery was updated to have some blue paint on the after end of the tail structure, and the Soviet flag was replaced by the Russian flag. Late 2003 saw this aircraft become the first Tu-154M to be repainted in the silver and blue livery as seen on the model. The aircraft would continue flying for Aeroflot until 2010. At this point, the aircraft was put back into storage at Moscow Airport and then subsequently scrapped. Please let your friends and family who collect know about our channel and spread the word. And as always, thank you and like and subscribe. If you want to keep up with our video feed, please hit the black subscribe button below your screen. Right now, over 80% of our viewers are not subscribers, so if you don't want to miss another one of these videos, please subscribe. If you want to watch other videos, please select one of the links shown here. Thank you, and good day.